Hi guys, welcome to my video of how to make your own CNC. Being out, I got my materials today. Got a bit of 50x50 box section, 3mm wall. Got two 7.5 metre lengths. Got one length, I got 7.5 metres of 25x25x 3mm wall box section. I got one length of 7.5 40x40 tube, and I've also got a length of 30x30 steel bar angle 3mm wall, 90°. That comes in 6 metre length. Right, these are all the parts for the ends. This is for the ends of the CNC. Chopped them all up. These parts here are for the linear rail system. They're your back legs for the ends. They're spacers, that's your 45, and them are 130mm long brackets which bolt onto there, which bolt your actual rails all on. So what we have to do now is we have to build the ends. So we want 125mm from the edge. 125mm from the edge. Put them on with 45 of these. Could do with a clean up. Definitely do with a clean up. Then we've got these which go into here just to brace it. But first thing we'll get the leg on. Then we'll that one. Again we go 125mm. Got 125mm. Get a leg. 125. 125. Get a return. It's hard doing this one hand. There, like so, and that's one end. Weld all that up. What we'll add onto it, what we'll add onto it later is just smaller pieces of this angle bar, just welded on the inside like that. Then what we'll do here is we can attach a metal bar from there and put one at this side to there, so then that'll be part of the linear rail system and the ball screw. So you can just adjust, fine adjustment to get your centre of your threaded screw bar, leader screw. That's all that. So what I need to do is I need to weld all this up, clamp it all, put it in a jig, weld it. Right, we're back. These are the ends. The CNC ends. Just tacked them for now. Started just sanding on them backfill because I'm not that good of a welder, but I'll stick a bit of metal together. Right, so we're back. This is what I've got up to so far. I've done the CNC bed. These are my ends. CNC ends. The bed is 795 wide. just the bed length is 2 meters. I'm going to be using these 130mm long bolts, which are going to bolt the ends onto the bed. So after I've bolted all these on, the ends onto each end, then I'm going to be getting my steel bar, well it's tube, 40mm one, and I'm going to put them brackets on. I'm going to put these brackets on here, one there and one there, with 10mm holes with bolts, and that's going to hold the post in, but I'll still have a bit of movement on these. I'll also have adjustment on these bolts to get the bed spot on level, and I'll also be welding plates on this with a bolt which can be adjusted to get it spot on level. So I've just got to seam everything, sand it all down. Right guys, I'm back. This is what I've been doing today on the CNC. This is what I was telling you about the rail. I've just tack welded this at the minute, but I've just run out of wire, so I had to go back and order some. Go get some tomorrow. Right, this is what I've done. The CNC bed has been bolted to the ends, like so. I've also got the bolts on the 4 legs, all nice and level. All nice and level. Bolted in there. I've just tacked the bar on for now. At that side, then I'm going to repeat at that side. I've already got the holes in. Just need to get my little pieces there, get them all drilled, put on there, bolted, then get the other bar put on. Then I'll be moving over to the actual rail setup then. There's one here, just needs welding up. I've got one here that just needs welding up. There, so I'll have a few of them. You put that inside. Fully weld it up. On these, I'll put 10 by 30 benign bearings on. Put another bolt on just to secure them in. Then the bearings will stick out about that far each side like that. Then these will actually sit, flip that way around, they'll sit on top of the bar there. Then I also may have another one when I get on to do them. Then that one will go on top of it like that. Then these bolts what are on the side here and here, just M10s just tack welded to it. That will be support from that one to that one with adjustment to clamp it, then bolt it up. Same as that side. The front one, this side, this is actually going to hold out outside of the CNC to put the to put the Y-axes on. So I got to make all of them, get them all done. Got to order the bearings, then put the runners on the bars, both sides, line them all up, make sure they're all alright, then make the metal work to brace from this side of the bar to that side of the bar, so that you complete it, but make sure they're all welded exactly square. I'll just set up. I'll have to get a digital measurer. But yeah, this is what I've done so far. I've also I'll have to order the CNC electronics for it, just the stepper motors and the boards. I'll have to order that most of the next week. Get the leader screws ordered. But I'm in no rush to build it. I'll make sure it's right, but I'll be keep putting regular videos during the build. I'll be regularly updating. So that's it for now.